Flooding is an overflowing of water onto land that is normally dry. Floods can happen during heavy rains, when ocean waves come on shore, when snow melts quickly, or when dams or levees break. Damaging flooding may happen with only a few inches of water, or it may cover a house to the rooftop. Floods can occur within minutes or over a long period, and may last days, weeks, or longer. Floods are the most common and widespread of all weather-related natural disasters.
Allahu Akbar.
Flash floods are the most dangerous kind of floods, as they combine the destructive power of a flood with incredible speed. Flash floods occur when heavy rainfall exceeds the ability of the ground to absorb it. They also occur when water fills normally dry creeks or streams, or enough water accumulates for streams to overtop their banks, causing rapid rises of water in a short amount of time. They can happen within minutes of the causative rainfall, limiting the time available to warn and protect the public. Where and when do floods occur? Flooding occurs in every U.S. state and territory, and is a threat experienced anywhere in the world that receives rain. In the U.S., floods kill more people each year than tornadoes, hurricanes, or lightning. What areas are at risk from flash floods? Densely populated areas are at high risk for flash floods. The construction of buildings, highways, driveways, and parking lots increases runoff by reducing the amount of rain absorbed by the ground. This runoff increases the flash flood potential. Sometimes, streams through cities and towns are routed underground into storm drains during heavy rain. The storm drains can become overwhelmed or plugged by debris and flood the roads and buildings nearby. Low spots, such as underpasses, underground parking garages, basements, and low water crossings can become death traps.
Ya Rabbi, taksicho, kayacho. أو كابري سيارة خو قريدة حزي كابري سيارة خو قريدة بري والله حقا يبقى شيش وقف فضفض ادعى